full of man problem.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's again Chesouye, and if you didn't know, now you know. So today we're here with some special guests.
We're not guests anymore because we have been.
Yes, they're more on the channel now.
Yes,
they're more on the channel.
Me and a guest.
So make sure you go in the description box and follow them, subscribe to them channel, follow them on Instagram and everything. Okay? So today we are going to do, answering juicy girl talk questions or topics. When I ask them on Instagram through a poll, send me some topics or some questions I don't want to know, what I want girl for answer. I want to send me some stuff. So we're here today for answer them. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Follow me on all socials at Chesouye. And let's get into this video. First one is, what should I do if my boyfriend is ignoring me?
Ignore him back?
I don't feel like she could call that person a boyfriend.
No, I'm not a boyfriend.
But suppose not every day, so suppose it's a day when England at the mood, then maybe can't drive it.
Why you pick up a man? Man that deserves pick up.
No, you can't.
No, but you have people with
but she never specifies, so we have to assume.
What
am I ignore her?
She might ignore me, ignore back. Because suppose you have an argument, ignore back. Sometimes the man cannot go through something and he just not in the mood.
So why is that call for ignoring? Because if I go through something, I simply need to do me, I go through something. The communication.
And not everybody stays so.
Well, sometimes you have to stay.
Sometimes when you where is my ignore? You pull up at his house.
Yes. It depends on why you might ignore
in a person that's not be a problem because you understand? But there you ignore me. Ignore me over the text message because you know we're not there at the same space, but if you pull up on you ignore me.
It really depends on the situation.
Yeah, it depends.
It depends on what.
And sometimes people want their personal space, so you can't really.
Exactly.
I don't know.
You can't talk to him, you know. He will talk back. Me feel like say you can't talk to him and ask him why I ignore you.
Maybe you do something and you just want him to say what me do wrong instead of company and say.
And sometimes they want to feel like the bigger person because man always want to be the bigger person in the picture and because they're a man and they have they want to be.
Next, how do I bounce back after a breakup?
Bounce back?
I can't answer that.
Yeah, if I bounce back,
Just love yourself, like.
No, like give yourself some time.
To heal, like.
Right.
Oh,
bounce
work
back.
for yourself.
Yeah, work for yourself. You don't need to go through no whole stage like them there back in the days. Things.
Just have fun.
What you
Spend
gonna
some
do?
more time.
Me ball and
Make
something.
yourself or something.
Yeah.
And then after a while, so guys,
You never got through a breakup before.
oh no, just text me and say, oh, if you look a man. What you say? Look a man. That's how you deal with it. You can't.
You can't jump out of a relationship.
And go back in a relationship.
You have to heal, you have to eat.
Yeah,
that's the same.
And that means you have to rest your front. If you have to heal, you need to rest your front.
Yes, you can't just jump out of a relationship and jump in a one.
Yeah, that's as I said, just have some alone time, focus on yourself. Me no want no alone time because me go
Then the alone time, you go through
more friend.
Me know
One mic. When I say alone time, it doesn't necessarily mean you're gonna stay by yourself and depressed.
But you mean you're not going to do with nobody?
Have some time by yourself.
Yeah, you're not going to do
Go on a date by yourself. Go.
Next question. Thoughts on living with your babe? Me not see no problem with it, honestly. I don't.
Me can't wait to live with my man.
Me personally, I don't want to live with nobody yet. I have my own space, my own apartment. We can feel comfortable first, and then at some point in time, yes, me will buy a house.
Yeah, I mean that way, but me feel like say you have some people that have problem with you shouldn't get an apartment with your boyfriend. Like, where you never gonna live? And in your mother house? Me no want a relationship where we live together. Me feel like when you get together
together too much and get used.
Right, so like you wait until you know more mature. You kind of want to get to each other.
I think if you really love the person, you never get tired of that person. If you love the person, you never ever get tired. There's nothing.
Me feels so too.
You never ever get tired.
It's not about tired of the person. You still want to see them, but
Yeah.
sometimes you need space away
You
from
know what?
somebody.
Sometimes people go in a relationship and then give up them personal shit. Like you love cooking, you stop cook because what? You live with your girlfriend or she go cook for you. Like why you would give up your hobby? And then you get tired of saying, oh, me have to bend this and bend that. You don't feel like it's supposed to be
when
like
you go away from your mother for a month and you come back, you don't feel fresh on your mother do everything for you, everything new.
yeah, but if we didn't do
And
that,
that
if must have time with friends, he must go visit family, like.
But I'm not every day, I see it.
So you get tired, you pick them when you have them?
No, that's
Not different. It can't different.
No,
It can't different. You live with somebody, it can't different.
Me think I show your mind young and you really much.
No, girl.
Your
Me
mind
no
is
want
much
nobody,
younger.
me no want to live with no man right now at this point.
Yeah,
no.
no.
As one individual.
You want to accomplish certain goals first.
By
and
myself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I did that.
Me did help you this time when me want to do it that myself.
Yeah.
And then afterwards, when you have
You can probably live in part-time, like, you know, probably weekend or go over or whatever. You just want your personal space. You need a breathing space.
Me think me have enough personal space already, so me need.
Your situation is different.
Did you all date without your parents knowing, and do you think it is bad?
No, I have, and I don't think it is bad because sometimes what they want for you is not what you want for yourself. So I have, and nothing is wrong with it.
I did.
And then sometimes, you know, once you introduce your parents to different persons, you just wait until you feel like
This is actually the first guy I'm really been to my mother. Yes, I dated. And if I think it bad,
We never have
honestly, mommy was so strict. I know I said this is going to shock the whole YouTube, but mommy did so strict. But
you just did young at the time and done.
she never want me to to me. She never want to fear a story for me. She explained it to me. I don't feel say it bad. It let me know what I want from me, no want in a person.
Sometimes, when your parents, like them things that them know everything what when they not do, but sometimes when they give look at advice, then give card them know what them been through.
Yeah, sometimes you have to listen to
it can be good and it can be bad.
And
But
sometimes
I feel like if you just go and make your own mistakes and then learn from it.
if them always like get bad and
Rebel.
When they lock them up and them things.
and then they explore that.
Sex on the first date.
Sex on the first
For
date.
agree or disagree.
If you
Is
ask
that
me,
topic? So we want to think about it.
I don't think it's a problem because at the end of the day.
Personally, I'm not saying nothing wrong with it.
Alright, you see, we go on a first date with the person, I feel like say, yo, we had a connect and we have
Energy
this click, right?
Yeah.
And you know when you're ready,
I'm
you
just
say you're ready. If you're
Well,
ready,
Some people,
No,
first
but
impression last. Them come and them act like them a good person when
you
they're
don't
ready
have
to
sex
try
that
them
way.
out.
So if I did on the
No,
first
but-
day, the middle day, the last day, no sex that way.
We still have sex.
No sex?
Yeah, but sometimes
It
it depends because sometimes you think, as Chantal said, you
Yeah,
work
with
with person
energy.
energy because we realize that they might tell lie, you feel something off, you probably just
You have some people to do the sex on the first day and then they
Me can see through people, like me can read people's mind. So if me and somebody hook up and me can know what got happen next. Me don't know if that ever happened to nobody, but me can know what got happen. Me can not know, but me can feel what got happen. You understand? So.
Asking a guy out on a date.
No.
It depends. Like if I'm a man, like you know, date a football. So if me and him, we've been together a year or 2 years, like yeah, we can bring him on board.
Oh, so you
Alright, so
may
you
have someone that can female meet.
No, I wouldn't approach you first. Like if me not know you none at all.
alright, let me tell you, you could ask the person on a date, but probably like if the person like and you say you want to get to know each other more, you can probably suggest a date.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Instead of
But if me and a person in our relationship and we are date and we You can ask him about.
Yeah.
But if you ask him first.
Fake friends, experiences, how to deal with them.
No comments.
You see the fake friends something me hate it bad. Me hate it bad. And you see when a girl, we will act like fool and watch your girl on me. And then when you're going to run, come back to me now, me just push you away. Because me experienced that. And up to this day, the person thinks I'm going to know nothing. And everything play out, I know everything. But I'm going to tackle it.
Let me tell you how you know when somebody feel. We can't tell you, I've been there.
If them not be, yeah.
You see, if you ever become successful, say for example, Chantal get 2 phones, right? And me have, we can't say Chantal have 5 subjects. She happy when she see fear results first. But as soon as she see mine, she say, well, me get 6, she vexed for fear results.
Yeah, when your friend not fear for truth. Like I want to
I really don't deal with your friend not in front of them. Limit me if I know so you feel me cut right off. This is the
difference between me and you. Me believe in giving chances upon chances upon chances. So if me see something, I say, well,
if them cross the one time, they won't cross you again. Strongly believe. Strongly believe. If them cross you one time, they won't cross you again. Like them people, me feel like a fake friends premeditated. Like them sit down and think about how they're not gonna be fake. So if you have a friend like that where you don't want to keep them
sometimes one of them make people influence them and mash up the relationship where you want them have and then the person will influence and mash up God left them and then run back to you.
Yeah, some people, but me feel like them sit down and think about how to be fake. You know, some they go do this, you know, some they go spread our business, you know.
Yeah, true.
I'm not a messy person and me don't appreciate messiness in my life.
Period.
Next question.
First heartbreak.
High school. It was awful.
Mine was high school as well.
I cried.
High school too.
This
Boy tell me say I'm the alone man talk to and then one girl come message me about Facebook and I tell me live for man alone. Then I'm like with a fool, you know. But then I go to with the girl see me and hurt me and come talk to my brother. But even though it's third time,
my first breakup.
and then I go to the boy now, I go in an argument with no female over a man. But I go to that, I go to the man. So I go to the man and I ask him about the situation and I say, I deny it. He keep on denying it and I say, listen to me, be honest to me and make me walk. Because if you're going to have me here and look like an idiot, don't do that because me young and me can't fight, me like, me not in them fucking saga with nobody, understand? So I go to him and I tell him, listen to me, if you're the girl there, just make me know and deal. And he keep on denying, and me fool, you know, me idiot, me want to hear me, I did him, I go look to the boy every time, I post him and then something. And then it got to one point where
And the same female?
Yeah. I couldn't take it and then one day a store come up. But not even get to that topic.
Anyways, my first heartbreak was high school. It was actually my first boyfriend. And me ball, like me ball.
It was my first one ball.
Yeah, and me remember.
But I should listen. I know my sister the one that said. He's not the one. But you know when the one way.
How it actually happened is that the particular person here, him did go foreign. It was the summer, and with a best friend like for a year, and we decided to start talk. And I did have this fake friend, and she used my Facebook account and left my man behind my back. And me think he left me, but the girl left my man.
What?
Maybe she didn't like you.
Probably she didn't like your man to her jealous of you.
I don't know. Anyways, trust issues.
We are still too long.
Me not really have no trust issues.
Me have enough.
You don't really have a trust issue.
Me will trust you. If until I give me a reason not to trust you, I will give you the benefit of the doubt. You know that person is a good person until you prove me wrong.
I don't have trust issue. Once you give me a reason to.
Me not have trust issue.
Me not insecure. Me not have.
I don't trust.
Me not trust people like we tell people my business, but then I'm a relationship. I trust my partner.
No, but I mean, like if you're
To
serious,
some extent.
don't
I
trust.
don't trust no man.
No, I don't trust nobody
Yeah, me I gonna say that. Me not trust nobody.
Me not trust nobody. Me think me get shook over too much time for trust and it just
Period.
like
And even in a relationship, at first I don't trust you until I give me a reason not to trust you.
Me gonna trust her, but me not gonna trust her 100%.
Yeah, me not gonna put in 100, but I mean, me not gonna like
Probably
everything.
like
You know, so
160.
that boy I lie to me. Like, me not gonna do that for every scene, every little thing. Me not feel so.
Where I
You know what I'm
me
saying?
think when you don't trust the relationship.
Just the church.
It
No,
don't make
it's not gonna work.
sense. It don't make sense to me.
You know work out you don't trust.
Male friends versus female friends.
Male friends are top tier.
They are, but you gonna need girlfriends too.
Honestly, me prefer male friends over female friends. If you know me, I have a lot more male friends than female friends. Female too conniving and planning and manipulative and disgusting and hateful and
Yeah, but you
I
have some
think
good
it
ones.
goes to have male friend, but me
Yeah.
personally can't have male friend because every time me have male friend they
Always
look
look you.
Me used to have friends like that, but what I do is me establish it from the first, like from the first meet to listen and now they can't look me because now me not talking now. And my friends say it work that way. Honestly, me love male friends. So just when you have female friend I go subs and male and that you know them laugh it off and then uno that
But you
again.
have your
And they
answer
laugh
that way.
after your woman, then I go subs you and cuss, man, not do that. That's what I like.
I prefer both male
And
Yeah,
some
me
man
like-
like
me like both of
some
them.
man you sit down and chat with their friend.
You don't know no man. Them they are no man.
So you can't.
And then they may talk about them not care man. They having a girl best friend.
No.
I don't feel like I'm gonna work with this.
No, I'm not.
What's about my best friend before? Well, it's not best friend before, yes, but you're not gonna take on the female best friend.
And
Because
me have to
you
validate
have to have a
relationship.
social life.
Me have to validate a relationship there with a girl best friend there. Because when you say you have girl best friend, but it's not girl best friend, so me have to validate that.
If you know the girl before, fine, but you're not gonna take on a girl best friend during the relationship. Yeah, that's it. Me agree. Copy that.
Buying your boyfriend gifts.
Of course, yeah.
I'm not a problem with it.
So my mom can buy me gift.
And make sure say the gift them when him buy you are the same value they give them when him buy
You know,
So you
honestly-
can't buy a Pandora, Tory Burch and Bridget's and then when a film birthday you go buy one little perfume.
You know me, they talk to Chantal about this.
You have some man that
Like if you know me, if I'm going to buy you
like
something,
You know like this?
My people.
rather than me tell Chantal, say, I'm gonna buy somebody a gift, it have to be somewhere me don't want for myself. Like if you know me,
That's
people
like
Chantal,
when
when I
you buy gift for them.
when me buy things to Chantal and buy things to mommy, I buy things that I know say, yeah, I am comfortable with giving somebody. I don't care something, I know say me no like.
For
Like,
example, if
you
you're
know,
gonna
me
buy
and
one
me and
Adidas or a Nike, buy the real one, don't buy the knockoff.
Yeah. Me don't feel like there's something nice. Embarrassing period story. I don't have any.
I think I have one. But three, alright.
You know I have
Oh yes, me have about two.
Always care
When
for
me
the
got
man.
to school, my uniform, it plaid, and it
Camperdown.
yeah, and it clear. So one day now, me I go home, me now, I got a fashion club meeting. Me have heavy periods for the first day. So that was the first day. And me say, you know, then was have to sit down and make it up for me and my girl go home, me now, my friends. Next year, we start saying, something was, talk to the water, so I look at him, and just turn on and just up and go home. And then one next day, no. Lunchtime, it catch uniform again, but just go home.
I'm tell you, like, let me start, like, boys are writing some feel kind of uncomfortable.
They don't
Alright, so, like, I didn't expect my parents to come in a second farm, but it never come. It come this summer when I'm going a third farm. So, I'm not really used to having periods. So, you know, when you go to school for the first and your mother and sister talk to you. But when I'm in a third farm, my period it come, but you know, when I go, my best uniform thin. So even though the blood I go on your clothes, it go dark, but still I go show see that, especially if it start dry. So on lunchtime now, like we normally sit down beside my friend, but me did it. Someone possessed me the day if we go sit down in front of one boy. So normally we just like sit down, like lift up the uniform, like wear one shorts. I was very short on the uniform, so like lift it up, sit down, but we go full into the uniform so. So when at lunchtime now, we get up and then when the boy stand back and we still in a minute and we get up and everything, you know. When we go so one big circle. But when I think him did say, and then my next time the one here is very embarrassing. Them son of them on your period, you don't go funeral or like graveside.
For you?
So them say make it heavier. So like we go at this funeral.
That girl.
We go at this funeral and but me go so.
You see, the thing with me is
But nobody never say. And I did I wear black. So that was shift.
Yeah,
the thing with me is me know when my period come like my belly I got hurt me up to a week before. So I know say
And
then I really like periods. So
first a death experience.
I have a lot of pain, like can't walk, ball, pain.
Every time I come pray, we don't want the out in the public. We just want the in a
we don't want nobody touch
bed. Yeah, we just irritated and say this can't hurry up and done.
Birth control, do you support it or what? Wait, think about it.
Alright, I support it to some extent, not for myself personally because I have a lot of side effects. But for example, if you're a parent and you have a wild child, and no matter how much you talk to the clinician not here, I suggest like if you're a birth control, especially if you're one of them parents who are afraid of shame and disgrace.
You can get
I know birth control can regulate the period.
Yeah, that's
a lot of reasons.
Some people take it for regulate the period as well as to eliminate the pain.
Yeah. But
sometimes some people take it to make the period come to.
Yeah. I'm not a problem with it. But it's not what
But
side
like, if you don't have to take it, don't take it.
It's not what side effect. And it, me not agree with no way affect the body normal like it have when I talk about and me feel like say that can't go. But if you have to take it like you can't take it, but me don't feel like if you live on it. Like some people be not take it from them at 16 till them at 30, like me feel like that can't go.
Yeah, and sometimes some people take it to stop their period. I don't think that healthy.
And then they all get it for 3-4 months straight. No sir, we couldn't do that.
Yeah, control it.
Ask some people, they all have women and they might take it. Why you doing?
When you plan your family.
No, but I feel like in that case, if you're in a steady relationship, you're putting the IUD.
Or the patch.
Or
the thing in your arm.
Then they are not for pregnant people.
No.
My friend put in the one.
You can get it. You can just go to the clinic and tell them they want something in your hand, 5 year, 3 year, 10 year, and then put it to you.
Too much side effects.
You get fat, it make you bleed,
you see,
it make you smell.
That's why you go to the doctor and them work with you and see which one better. So if you feel like said that not good for you, then give something better. The IUD didn't have much side effects because they put it inside.
Yeah.
How do you know if your boyfriend is cheating?
They argue themselves.
Science.
No matter if all them things say them not argue themselves, they argue themselves.
So me feel like say a man can put love two places like him have to say somewhere got cut short. Him can't do it two places. Like him can't text you straight, stay in your chat and stay in somebody else's chat. Somebody will get left. So that's how you
him skilling can.
If him skilling can't keep up on that.
It's all about action.
You must know how he used to cheat you and how he might treat you now. You must pick up.
So what I know, suppose you go and live in job, you can't talk to your partner every time.
Phone can make you know. Unless it's in the wrong message or not, and say if you're a long period of time, but when I think now that the time frame we must switch between texts, you can really pick that up. You will pick up your actions as the way you move, especially with your phone and them stuff. Yeah.
Me feel say if you did have a regular time our talk, and then that got change, me think we can pick up say something right.
Alright.
If you not post me now, come and talk about post for my birthday, so you all know post for my birthday. If you not post
and
me,
sometimes
there's somebody out there
see.
don't make no man tell you about no one post because
and you have someone
care what you want to say?
You know.
And if anything
After you
man
marry,
love
you
get
have
show
to
up,
marry,
because they love football, they love
If you are in a relationship, you must have to post more time on your status. You can't tell us that that is not right thing. That is not no.
I honestly don't really have no problem with it, but everybody loves being posting about
Random appreciation.
Yeah.
But look, you're not supposed to have a female like when the man posts.
Yeah, that's different.
Post me now. I have to excuse you.
Why you have to ask me?
Nobody
Nobody to post me. Last question. Why are girls wicked? Me no feel say girl wicked.
Girl, no wicked.
A man makes
Some female wicked.
Girls are cute. Me
Some
feel like
naturally
girls have a nurturing. I feel like them always caring, but man always try to draw you.
I feel like I'm
Try to
that
test
not
me.
female though.
Listen up, no, you can't say that.
Man,
You have
I'm
female out there with wicked, brother. You have female out there with wicked. I mean,
Man,
pick
you
up
have some
man.
man.
You have man wicked, you have man wicked too, you know. And you have man of good, so you can't say yo. You can't.
Because you can't say the man wicked, a woman make them wicked to a woman do them thing.
Yeah,
You would.
you can't say that.
True, but me not feel like saying
Every man wicked.
I know every woman wicked.
And a
but
circumstances
you
make
have
some
female
people do certain
Yeah.
things. So.
Yeah. Some people don't really want to do it, but they have to do it because they know people are testing, people are trying. Yeah, that's no one. Anyways, guys, that's the end of our juicy girl talk. I hope you answer one question them, all of them want to send. I try to answer most of them. Hope you find it informative or you get some kind of information from it. Make sure you subscribe to Ash Media, Sabrina as well, and Chantal channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, and I'll catch you guys in my next upload. Bye.